Doğa Koleji 5 yaş grubu İngilizce gösterimizi yapacağız. Ders sunumundan küçük bir kesit yapacaklar size. İngilizce konuştuklarını görmenizi istiyoruz. Hepinize geldiğiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Okay, everybody, are you ready? Yeah! Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body and mind. Move and Freeze from the award-winning CD Brain Boogie Boosters by The Learning Station. Come on, move and freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Put your right hand on your left knee, your left hand on your right. Your knees move in and out, your hands stay tight. Now keep on with your moving, but switch hands on your knees. Keep on moving in and out till we say freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Come on, move and freeze. Put one hand across your shoulder, one hand across your back. Now jump in place. Do you like it like that? Yeah! Now switch hands across your shoulders and switch hands across your back. Now just be nimble, just be quick, just like Jack. Come on, jump and freeze. Come on, jump and freeze. Come on, jump and freeze. Come on, jump and freeze. Everybody shake your body from your head down to your feet. And don't stop shaking until we stop the beat. Shake it to the east and shake it to the west. Shake it, shake it, shake it with my friends who are the best. Come on, shake and freeze. Come on, shake and freeze. Come on, shake and freeze. Come on, shake and freeze. Put your right hand on your head, your left on someone's knee. Now turn once in a circle and buzz like a bee. Now turn the other way, don't let go or lose your spot. Keep turning left, keep turning right until the music stops. Come on, turn and freeze. Come on, turn and freeze. Come on, turn and freeze. Come on, turn and freeze. You can move now. Riddle time. Which weighs more? 1,000.
Nasıl yaptın? I'm fine, thank you. How do you feel today? Bilge? I'm joyful. How do you feel today, Ömer? I'm joyful. How do you feel today, İnci? I'm joyful. How do you feel today, Emir? I'm happy. How do you feel today, Nate? I'm joyful. How do you feel today, Yağmur? I'm joyful. How do you feel today, Ceren? I'm joyful and happy. How do you feel today, Chaka? I'm joyful.
Thank you. Okay, and Ömer Selim, come here please and ask your friend which season is it, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Which season is it? Which season is it? Spring.
Okay, and Melih Emir.
What's the weather? How was the weather? How was the weather?
Who wants to come here? How is the weather today? Bilge, come here please.
It's sunny.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Nehir, come here please. Nehir, ask your friends.
Today,
What is it today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No? Melih, come here. No. No.
Kapattılar şeyi kapattılar.
Okay. Okay, and Ceren Yağmur, come here please.
what do you do in the morning, Yağmur? I wake up, down off my bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, comb my hair. I get checked. I eating cereal. Go to school. book. I drink water. Go to the house. Do my homework. Go to the bed and sleeping.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Bilge, come here, please. Wait. Bilge, wait. Bilge, yes, what do you do in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night? Okay?
I wake up, get afternoon. I'm brushing my teeth, comb my hair, eat the less, eat cereal. I read a book. Drink water. Eat house. See you. It's the homework. I do my homework. I go to bed. See you.
Thank you. Okay, Inci, come here. Please say to us, what have you got in your body parts? Okay? Show us, please.
I have two eyes. I have one nose. I have a mouth. I have two hands. I have 10 fingers. I have 10 toes. One hair. Black one hair. Lungs. I have lungs. I have kidneys. I have parts. Heart. See you.
Thank you. Okay, Nehir, come here, please. Okay, Nehir, can you introduce your pony? What has it got? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, say to us, please.
It is a pony. It has got purple eyes. It has got big ears. It has got blue lights. It has got white body. It has got mouth. It has got nose. It has got forehead. See you.
Thank you. Okay, everybody, do you want to yoga?
Yeah.
Okay, show to us, please. Please take your flowers and come here.
Breathe in. Sounds true. Sounds True presents Good Night Yoga, a pose by pose bedtime story by author Mariam Gates, illustrated by Sarah Jane Hinder. The sun in the sky is going down. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my arms lift up to the sky and then back down like sun rays.
and the clouds float by. As I breathe in, I bend my knees and scoop the clouds around me. As I breathe out, I stand tall and release the clouds over my head. The stars sparkle brightly as I breathe in. As I breathe out, my arms reach out wide toward the stars. As the moon rises high, as I breathe in, as I breathe out, my spine is long and I bend to each side like a crescent moon. The birds are flying back now. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, I focus on one point and use my arms to soar to their homes in the trees. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my shoulders roll back. My heart is open and I am solid like a tree. The ladybugs settle softly. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my palms press together as I squat on my leaf between the butterflies. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my feet press together and my knees spread out like butterfly wings. And the bees. As I breathe in, I sit up tall and reach my arms back like wings. As I breathe out, I buzz my head down to the ground. The little blue cat who lives in the moon. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, I arch my back like a cat. Whispers, "Good night, world, you'll be dreaming soon." As I breathe in, as I breathe out, I sit back on my heels, still and round like the earth.
Hocam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! I did it!
Play with me, sing along. Let's clap our hands. Play with me, sing along. Let's clap our hands. Clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap our hands. Clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap our hands. Play with me, sing along. Let's reach up to the sky. Play with me, sing along. Let's reach up to the sky. Reach up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up. Reach up. Reach up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up, up. Reach up. Play with me, sing along. Let's tap our toes. Play with me, sing along.